Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be covering a sector of stocks that has not fared well over the course of these last several weeks and months, to put things lightly. That sector of course is travel related, and it's really, obviously, with everything going on with the virus and whatever it may be, and the uncertainty that surrounds that, travel has been slammed, and you see these stocks that have been in the red for the longest time. They're at a very interesting buy-in point potentially, but you have to be in such a long-run position for these to make any money off of them. But like I said, they could, in the long run, they could potentially be at very good value. So before we get into that, go ahead and smash the like button if at any point you do enjoy something you hear in this video, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We have gotten the number of viewers who attend my videos down to who are not subscribed down to 93%. So about 7% of you guys are subscribed to the channel. I'm really appreciated for all of you, and hopefully we can continue bringing that number even lower. So let's get right into it. Carnival Corp, ticker symbol CCL. If you don't know, they're actually a stock I've covered several times on my channel. They are a cruise line stock, and obviously they're one of the bigger ones, one of the major players, market cap about 13 billion, beta of almost 2 at this point, and obviously that's what you can expect. Negative 4.25 earnings per share, and then they used to pay a dividend that was actually pretty nice, but obviously that has all but disappeared, and probably won't return for some time now. Target estimate of 16.65, and it's just really a sad, it's been a positive 5 days here. Last month's been terrible. The last 6 months have actually been positive, but the year to date, I mean, you look at a stock that was around $51 a share in January. That was what, 7 or 8 months ago? That was 8 months ago, maybe even 9 months ago now. I can't believe it's already October. But yeah, $51 a share, and I believe I actually bought in right around here. So I absolutely got slammed in this stock. But am I selling it? No. Obviously that's quite a hit to take. This is one of those stocks that I don't think is going to go bankrupt. We can look at their financials and their cash flow. Obviously this is going to be a very ugly number to see, with cash flow going down. They've been making investments, buying more properties, acquiring different, I believe, cruise companies, but obviously cash flow at this point in time of negative $3.5 billion. Obviously they have no source of income right now. There's an article posted down here that says, hopefully that doesn't play. We can pause that potentially. There we go. Does trimming fleet make Carnival stock a buy right now? Here's earnings. Okay, that's not the one. Carnival cancels all 2020 cruises from U.S. ports except for 2 cities. So, I mean, they were getting ready to potentially ramp back up. I believe they even had one in like Europe that took off. But even 1 or 2 ships or 3 ships, whatever it may be, isn't going to be able to sustain a company like this. They have so many ships and so much potential for earning, and they're really a good cruise line stock, but they've been slammed, and it's just, again, you look at the analyst sentiment. Got 9 strong buy, a 6 buy, a 9 hold, and a 1 underperform. Currently sitting just above a hold. The average high is 31. It actually just got upgraded by Barclays, which I don't think that's definitely not that big of an upgrade there. But like I said, I think long term, this is a stock at a current point. I think they did get down as low as like $7 per share. 8, and I think they did get as low as $7 if we have the 52-week. Okay, yeah, 780. I do remember that. It's really interesting. It's funny that the Disney ad plays here. Also, another company that I'm invested in, they just let go of 28,000 people, 28,000 employees. Obviously, that doesn't look good on the business, but it's all these travel-related companies, and Disney is actually doing a really good job of being safe and staying open and still providing a good experience for their customers. or their visitors, I should say. But it's so hard for all these travel related industries. You know, you look at I guess Carnival is one of the few that is down today. Royal Caribbean still around $65 a share, up about 1%. Norwegian about $18 a share, but Norwegian's been slammed. American Airlines has been slammed. Delta is actually maintaining that 30% or $30 per share, which I do like to see. I think Delta is one of the stronger airlines currently. It's one that Warren Buffett's invested in quite a bit, although he's invested in American Airlines as well. So at the end of the day, there's gonna be a lot of rough times ahead. Could this stock go down to $10? Sure. But the thing is, in the long run, I don't believe this company's going to go bankrupt. I don't believe many, if any of these companies right here are going to go bankrupt, whether it's Royal Caribbean, Norwegian, or look at the airlines, American Airlines or Delta. Delta's not going to go bankrupt. American Airlines not going to go bankrupt. And it's just something we're going to have to weather. You know, whether we go into 2021 and it's still all negative, whether we go into 2022 and it's still all negative, it's something we're going to have to weather. This is the nature of the stock market. This is the nature of the world we currently live in. You know, investing should be for the long run. You shouldn't be out here day trading. And it's at this point in time, when you're in it in the long run, I think a $15 per share price on Carnival is a very fair price. Do I see it returning to $51 in the next, 3 years? No. But I could definitely see it doubling and getting around $30 per share, which would be, you're doubling your money on a stock like Carnival. But that's just my personal opinion. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think about all these stocks. Again, I've covered Carnival before. I really like the stock. I really like the company. I've actually taken a cruise with Carnival, and they do a really good job with all their different cruise lines. And let me know what you guys think about whether it's Carnival, Delta, American Airlines, or some of these other cruise stocks or airline stocks or any travel-related stock currently, whether you guys like them. Disney's starting to become a very attractive buy-in point. Again, it's around 120. I think that's very attractive. Might have to make another video on them. So let me know what you guys think about all these in the comment section below. Again, if you haven't already, if you did enjoy this video at any point, go ahead and smash the like button. And until next time, happy investing.